Hey everyone, welcome back to the SpeTool YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce the SpeTool Adjustable Router Jig, a variable router template guide for woodworking creating square and rectangular slotting. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Here, we've got 4 sturdy aluminum rails. And check out what else comes in the box. We've got 2 D-shaped clamp tools, a balance tube, a screw pack, and a dozen M4 screws. Now, let's take a closer look at these rails. You'll notice it's got dual scales, metric and imperial. Our lock washer makes installation free from positioning and ensures perfect right angles. Using the provided screws, I'm going to connect the rectangular washer and lock washer. These hex screws are less likely to damage to the threads compared to Phillips screws. Note that the drill bit of the electric power drill must be inserted to the bottom to prevent damage. Now, you don't need to tighten the screws all the way just yet. Leave a bit of slack for final adjustments. One of the great features of this jig is its adjustable size. It can extend all the way to 25 by 25 inches. Or 635 by 635 millimeters. Next up is the clamp installation. The clamp is designed to sit beneath the rail, so it doesn't interfere with your work. By loosening the screw, you can easily rotate the clamp to secure the jig. Now, let's talk about the balance tube. It's got 5.5 millimeters and 8 millimeters holes, which means it can accommodate a variety of router sizes. Just pick the screw that matches your router and secure the balance tube in place. Smooth, right? The grooves on the rails also help the router glide smoothly. Alright, let's see this jig in action. First, we'll adjust it to the length we need. Once you've got the size set, it's time to tighten down all the screws. And don't forget to secure the clamps, so the jig stays put while you're working. Now, with our router, we can start cutting. Our router jig can handle through cuts, inlays, and even making pockets. This is the first usage, making through cuts. The adjustable router jig is also perfect for making precision inlays. Here is a tip. Depending on the router, bit, and material used, multiple passes may be required to obtain the desired depth. When working on large workpiece, add the balance tube to your router's base plate to keep the router balance. The processing after installing the balance tube is simple and safe. Just move the router along the rectangular frame of the jig to easily and quickly make a shape we want. After the processing is completed, we can see that a square piece of wood has been cut very accurately. This is how the pocket made. So, there you have it. SpeTool Adjustable Router Jig. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to get one for yourself.